Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 7a. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, enter menu and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match and enable Hey Google function. Tap more, agree, next, and now let's try it out. Hey Google, now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Enable assistant responses on lock screen, and now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? What's the weather like tomorrow?
There will be scattered showers with a high of 68 and a low of 47.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.